Hey people, Jay here and welcome. Today's video is a power hour, so let's get started. So the plan is to start the laundry, clean the kitchen, clean the main bathroom, and finish the laundry.
And everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages.
These gloves have become one of my favorite kitchen accessories.
I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. Every day now I confess.
So I chose to use my spray mop instead of my steam mop since I am doing a power hour.
Used to feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.
I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want ya, why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. It's so difficult to see. Whatever happens is meant to be. Then you'll ask me what is wrong, and I don't even know how to answer. It's time to put an end to our chapter. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want ya, why don't we go figure it? Yeah,
to go downstairs.
Oh, what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. Nothing here will be the same again. 'Cause I know this pain. I'm better off alone.
Well, I hope that you enjoyed this power hour. Hopefully you will be inspired to do your own power hour or cleaning around your home. Be sure to like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you like this type of content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.